So this is the part 3. This is so yummy. Like, oh my god. I skipped some. Yummy. And drink water. But excuse me because yeah, I'm all done. Don't forget to drink water. Bye. Actually, I have